Okay, you want to take the cover off. Exposes a 3-prong, the middle being neutral. Okay. Red on the right, middle neutral. Black is a positive, and then green gets hooked up right here. You're gonna take the wires, feed it through this hole, and then that's how you're gonna do it. And then of course the green is going to go to the ground down there. See it? I put this clamp on there so it wouldn't slip out right here. Okay. And then you attach these, black being on the left, white attached with this in the middle, and then the red on the far right. This is what it'll look like when it's finished. Red on right, white in the middle, power on the left, and then ground right there on the bottom. Clamp right there so it doesn't pull through. And then install the cover. The screw goes right there. You're gonna fit the exhaust tube over here. And then you have a pinch clamp. You just move this up to here to where it's flush against, and it clamps on and it stays. And you do the same with the other end. This is going to go up here. You're going to have the pinch clamp on here first, and then you're going to fit this on there, and then all the way up, and then you're going to clamp it right here. You want to install this first before you do the washer because you have more room to work with. And there's where it plugs in. So as you can see, the pinch clamp is flush right here. And it's also right here. It's on good right there. It comes down right here, so it's on pretty good. I twisted this right here to level the dryer out. You may need to do that, but it doesn't shake, so it's leveled out. Okay, so now plug the dryer in, make sure everything works good. Make sure everything's out of the dryer, like the instructions. Power on. There you go. And it works. Good to go. Okay, I'm looking at the washer. I'm looking for some transportation screws that are usually in the back to keep the drum from moving during shipment. But it appears that this has something internal to keep the drum from moving. So no transportation screws, that's good. Now what we're gonna do is attach the hose back right here. Red hot, blue cold. So the hose you buy comes with this right here. I had to remove it, and the hose came with a screen on there to prevent debris flowing into your wash. So remove the one that came with the hose, and then install the one that came in with the washer, which is the screen, and then you tighten it right here. Make sure blue on blue. red on red. Okay, you'll want to tighten these, but not too tight because there's a PVC and you might break it if you over tighten. Same with this right here. Just tight enough to where it's snug. Now you're going to install the drain hose. Right on here, it's got a clamp. Just fit it on there. It's got a straight slot screw. So the hose is installed. And then drain tube. Then push it back, plug it in. The extra washers on hand, put it right here. And there you are, installed washer and dryer. Check back here for leaks. I didn't see anything leaking back there. The water's turned on. And we're good to go.